Hello everyone, I got here's a Takamine with a built-in guitar tuner and a built-in preamp. Battery is over here. I'm going to show you how to use the guitar tuner. So battery, on the bottom there it says where the battery orientation is. Positive here and negative there, and then the camera can pick it up. But there is a marking there, so you match with your battery, positive, negative. Put the battery in there. Put this in there. Alright, so done with the battery. Now we do the guitar tuning. Everything here is for the preamp, so you don't have to worry about that one. This is the guitar tuner model number 8, by the way. So the main thing we're gonna look at is the screen over here. There's a screen there. So in order for you to turn on right now the tuner is off. So you just push this button here. And not working, so we'll just hold. There you go. So E is tuned. Oh no, it wants me to adjust it. It tells you where to go. See? If you want to loosen it or tighten it, then that's tuned. When there's both of them are like a diamond shape, is a tune. D, G, tune. So if you need to tune, it's upside down. So let me do it then. So for example, E needs to be adjusted, so let me adjust that. Now I went too far. Went too low. There you go. Tune. And the next one. A is good. Maybe a little bit. Sound like a Beatles song there. That's tune. Now G. With D, tune. I'm doing this upside down, so bear with me. And fell asleep. Look like the battery low there. Where were we? G, tune. B is tune. E just need minor adjustment. There you go. All right, so that's how you use. That's how you use the built-in guitar tuner for a Takamine guitar. This is the model number TP4TD preamp. So when you're done, just hold that and turn it off. So that way you don't waste your battery. Right, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Mahalo, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.